So friends, today we are going to make chocolate cake. So for making chocolate cake we need 1 cup water, 1/3 cup oil, 3 eggs, 1 round pan for pouring the chocolate cake mixture, and then chocolate cake powder, and also a bowl for making the mixture. So let's start. So friends, as you can see, I have already now added the chocolate cake powder in it. We can get the chocolate cake powder anywhere in any store. So now you have to add 3 eggs. Now you can see I have added 3 eggs in it. See that I have mixed it well. Now you can add oil. So now mix it again. So friends, now you can see that I have mixed everything well inside this powder and it has become a smooth paste. It should just be not too liquidy or not too sticky. It should be like a paste like this. And now as there is little lumps in it, you have to mix it properly with a machine to avoid lumps. So friends, now after preparing the mixture, you have to pour it into a round tin. And now before pouring it, I have covered it with butter paper so that the cake doesn't stick to the cake tin. I have greased it with butter and a little flour. So I have also garnished the cake with nuts. In this there are almonds, pistas and walnuts. It's optional, you can also do it or it can be a plain cake. So now you have to keep it in the oven. Preheat the oven at 180 degree Celsius. So now I'm going to keep it in the oven. Friends, I have used for this cake Super Moist Betty Crocker Company cake. This milk chocolate. So friends, bake the cake for around 40 to 45 minutes or bake it till the inserted toothpick comes out clean. So friends, now we are going to insert a barbecue stick inside the cake. See, it has come out clean. So the cake is cooked from inside properly. Now let it cool down for some time and then remove the butter paper.
Friends, now I'll taste this cake and tell how it is. Friends, it's very nice cake and it's very delicious. Do try it at home, and there are many nuts in it. And friends, if you liked our videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlif and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.